Benny.
Yes.
Ferramundo.
Tasty.
He back there watching TV. Baby.
Hey.
Hey guys, we're back. Hey, look at her. This ain't no joke. Hey, boy. Hey, I got you on video. Whoa.
Is this fun? Is it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Woo. Woo.
Benny. What's up, man? Ferramundo. His name is Pharaoh, but I just call him Ferramundo. That's his little nickname I gave him. So if we ever were in a situation where he had to say, prove it's you, because I can't see you, I would say Ferramundo. He'd say, Daddy! All right, Benny hurt his leg. Benny, are you gonna be able to go to the Coca Cola factory, or do we have to take?
Because of him.
Hey, boy! Hey, I got you on video. Look at it. Yeah. See that? Boy, brothers will be brothers. Brothers will fight, won't they? But you supposed to be the bigger man, and you the older brother, man. Come on, man. Yeah. He don't know no better. He don't know you here.
You are beeping, beeping, beeping.
He don't know no better.
He definitely does, though.
All right. Are we all here? Okay. You're asleep.
We're supposed to be over here.
That's the parking garage.
Right. All right. But we're waiting in the line.
Don't get your camera phone on, it's a photo shoot.
We got our free samples of soda.
No, which one you like, sir?
Oh, I already got one.
Oh. All right, enjoy.
Thank you.
We're gonna go ahead and get started. How's everybody doing? Woo! That was weak. How's everybody doing? These with sharp metal objects and glass behind me. I would like to.
Pharaoh, look. Come here. Pharaoh, come here. Pharaoh, look. You on camera?
What's in there? Ugh.
That looks cool. Man, that's cool. Look at it, look. What's in there? Open it up. You scared? Is it?
Oh, they should have making it.
What?
Please make your way into the chamber room.
A secret formula for the most deliciously different taste the world has ever known.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the vault of the secret formula.
And that's that. Ooh. Special delivery. They got different bottles for different states. Let's see if we can find Virginia. I see Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Virginia. The moment we've been waiting for. Just try a little bit. Don't fill your cup up. You just taste test.
Ew.
I like that one. It's my favorite one right here. Indonesia. Let me give him some. Oh no, yeah. Don't fill it up. There you go, Phil.
This is good.
That's nasty.
Try it.
That is disgusting. Try it. That is disgusting.
They're gonna be crying.
You got a PB? Okay. Oh yeah, Beverly's good.
Got it.
Ah, look, everybody had to drink something after. We gotta chase that down.
Yeah, what the heck?
That Beverly is disgusting.
Yeah,
Oh my
I
God.
got you. It tastes like something I've had before, though.
Yeah, it tastes like when you throw up and the acid, your stomach acid.
Is that what that is? This one. It's a W. I already did this one.
So I like almost all of them.
Yeah.
It says like a licorice. Africa wins so far.
Yeah, Africa won. I think I like only like 2 or 3 wasn't good.
There was like one I didn't like.
What is this?
I don't know, what's this?
Oh, it's tea.
Honest tea. All right. So how you feeling about honest tea? Oh my God, that's the honest tea. You walked right past the trash can.
Mexico.
That was all right. The Costa Rica Fanta was all right. Latin America ginger ale.
Soda water.
Straight carbonated water, right? That's it. Oh, he wants some.
It doesn't have ginger in it?
Yeah, no ginger.
I don't taste the ginger.
Oh, no, this is what we're all used to. This is North America. I don't know why we even trying this, but I think Africa wins.
Africa wins for sure. The ginger beer is the best. Yum.
Africa wins. Africa was definitely.
Africa wins.
Do you have a favorite Coca Cola memory? Camping with my mom and dad.
Hot summer day on the farm back in Ohio.
My first love.
Let's try that again. Are you ready for fun?
Yeah.
All right, that's better. It is fun. It's going to be bumpy. So we ask that you put away all your personal belongings.
Hold on. All right, I'm ready.
There and back time, or you want split time? There and back.
All right, you about to race to the bush?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go. The boy took off one shoe. 17 seconds. 17 seconds. You tired, bro? So we went to the Coca Cola plant in Atlanta, Georgia. It wasn't what I expected. You know, it was cool. It was more like a museum. I thought we were gonna see some Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Willy Wonka, you know, cool stuff with soda bottles flying down assembly lines, but it wasn't like that. But I did have fun tasting everything. To me, Africa won. But she said she liked the ginger beer.
Yeah, it was good. That was like the best flavor.
What was your favorite?
My Sprite. Sprite.
Just regular North American Sprite. That boy crazy. I mean, that's cool. You like what you like, though. Yeah. See you next time on our next video. Wherever we do, wherever we go, we'll let you know when we get there.